Hello guys, Brko Banks here. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make money on YouTube without recording or making any videos. So this is going to be step-by-step tutorial. I have few successful YouTube channels in this niche and I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can do the same thing. I'm going to show you guys one of the most successful channels in this niche. I'm going to show you guys my test channel that I have used to get some of the views on that channel with 0 subscribers. So make sure to watch this video till end because I'm going to show you guys everything. And also guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure to press that subscribe button because we upload daily videos on this channel on how to make money online, how to make money on YouTube, so you don't want to miss that out. So make sure to press that subscribe button. So the channel that we're going to use, not actually the channel, but the type of videos that we're going to create, I have talked about this before, and this is one of the easiest ways to grow your YouTube channel, to get a lot of views, and also to reach a lot of subscribers, so to create community of the people, and you can start from 0. I'm going to show you guys, if you have 0 subscribers, how you can get views really easily. So make sure to watch this video till end. So example, one of the most successful channels in this niche is of course Data is Beautiful. I have talked about this before when they had few 100,000 subscribers. Now they have 1.1 million subscribers. And the most important thing about this channel is they're not doing this method anymore. You can see they're not uploading videos anymore. Probably they have made so much money they don't even care right now to create any videos for this channel, and even if they created a video, that video would get millions of views. So you can see some crazy amounts of views per video, and these videos can be made in few minutes. Let's call it 30 minutes to create this type of video. So you can see right here 10 million views, 22 million views, 9 million views. And if you go and sort by most popular videos, you can see that there are some crazy amounts of views per video that they have on these channels. And I want to explain you guys how you can do the same thing, same method. And you can see they have 146 million views. So that is probably around from $600,000 to $700,000 in just 1 year from this channel. So that is just AdSense money. So I want to show you guys the channels that use this method and they don't have any subscribers. You can see this channel has 3,000 subscribers and they have video with 1.4 million views. So if you think that it is not possible or it is overused or something like that, that is not the case. This method is going to work forever, and if you think that this method doesn't work, you're just kidding yourself. You're just trying to find excuse to not take advantage of this crazy method to make a lot of to get a lot of subscribers and make a lot of money. So to show you guys another example of the channel, this channel has grew from a few thousand subscribers. Now they have 74,000 subscribers, and you can see they have millions of views. So you don't need to have a lot of subscribers to get millions of views. You can see you just want to take advantage of the most popular things like Dragon Ball, that is some TV series, and people used to use this method to rank the top characters in the series. So basically what happens here is the people that are interested in that series or brand, or I want to show you guys the video that I have made for test, and I want to share with you guys, but one of the successful channels I wouldn't share with you guys. So I'm going to show you guys the test channel that I used to get from 0 views to few thousand views. So I want to show you guys how you can create this type of videos. So it is really easy to create them. So first thing that you want to do is you want to find some competition between the brands. So let's say most popular TV series or best-selling music artist or something that people are interested in. So even if they don't know anything about your YouTube channel, you can go and create a video around them and get views. So I have made a video about most popular websites, not actually websites, but most popular social media networks. So I have ranked those, and I've got some views with 0 subscribers and 0 views on fresh new channels. So I want to share with you guys how I did this. But before we do that, I want to show you guys how you can create this type of videos. So the software that they're using to create this type of videos is called Flourish Studio. And what I did is I have signed up for a free account. You don't need to go and upgrade to paid version. You can go and create a free version and click right here when you sign up. So right here you can see they have this bar chart race. You can use these three types, but the most common one is this bar chart race, this one. So let's click on that. And you can see this is example that a lot of people have taken advantage of to use and upload on their YouTube channels and get a lot of views. So your work is going to be to find data for this bar chart race and record it with screen recorder and upload it on your YouTube channel. So this is example of the video, and if you want to know how this works is you need to click on data right here, and you need to find all of the numbers and put them in the columns right here. So it is really easy to do. I know a lot of you guys are going to think that maybe it is hard to find this data, and I have talked about this. I have made a video about most popular social media networks. So I have used Statista to find all of the most popular social media, and I have created bar chart race for that. So right here, if you go on Statista and type in Facebook, you can find monthly users for Facebook from 2008 to 2019. So right here you can see in 2008 there was 100 million users on Facebook, and you can get all of the data right here in 2010 there was 431 million users. So you can go and take all of this data right here. You can see in 2016 1.7 billion users, and you can put all of this information in data right here and create your own bar chart race. Right here in the image URL, you can put the logo you can put the link of the logo of the social media that you're trying to use. So right here you can see you're not going to see the flag of the country, you're going to see the logo from the company that you have created for. In this example, it is for Facebook. So you would put right here, for example, in China, your Facebook logo. So I want to show you guys how you can get views. So we have created video, now we have uploaded on our YouTube channel, and we have 0 views, 0 subscribers. So how we can get some views on our videos? I have used this method. You can see this is my video that I have created, and I want to play to you guys. So I have used some not copyrighted music, and I'm not going to get copyright strike. The reason why, as I said, is you're going to use not copyrighted music. So let's play it for a little bit. So you can see right here, Facebook, YouTube, and just to show you guys that this is my channel, you can see right here I have posted test video for my YouTube channel, and you can see this video has 1,500 subscribers, and a lot of you guys are going to ask me how I've got some of the views and how you can get at least 1,000 subscribers per not actually subscribers, sorry, 1,000 views per video. So how you can get it with 0 views? So I have used this Reddit account called Data is Beautiful. So they have used this Reddit account to promote our videos. So you can go and post your own video right here, and people that are interested in data are going to click on your video and they're going to watch it. So why is this really important? You can see there is 14 million members on Data is Beautiful on Reddit, and people are uploading videos every single day. You can see right here, this is a video. So just to show you guys to play it. So you can see this is probably a video. So when you click on it, it is going to jump in at the YouTube channel. This is another video. So people that are subscribed to this Reddit account are highly interested in this stuff. So you're going to share with them. You can see this is bar chart race right here, made in Flourish Studio. So you can go and share your videos to this page, and I want to show you guys my Reddit post. You can see right here, this is my video. So when you click on it, you can see 18 people liked my post, and if you click on my video, it is going to jump in right here. So you can see I have tested this. I have done a test for this YouTube channel I have created just to show you guys and just to show myself that you can get some views this way really easily. So once you reach 4,000 watch hours, and you can reach it, that is going to be very easy, because this way you can get a lot of views, a lot of subscribers, and you want to get 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, so that way you can go and monetize your YouTube channel with ads. So I have told you guys I have a few channels in this niche, and they're doing pretty well. So I wanted to share with you guys and gave my opinion about how you can make some money doing this method. So guys, that will be it for today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in comment section, and also you can check out my YouTube course where I teach you guys step by step how to create YouTube channel, what type of content should you put on your YouTube channel to get most of the money from low views, how to create thumbnails, record videos, post videos, do a content research, do backlinks, monetize your YouTube channel with multiple streams of income. We're not going to talk about just about AdSense. We're going to show you guys multiple streams of income, how you can create them from one YouTube channel, and also how you can run YouTube ads to make more money. I have made this course just to show you guys step by step how you can go from 0 to 100 with simple methods that are shown in this course. And if you want to check out this course, just click on right here on this button right here, and you can click on coupon code INTER40, and you're going to get $40 off your purchase. So for everyone who want to test this course out, you can go and use this coupon code to get $40 off. So that would be it for today's video, guys. If you want more videos like this, make sure to press that like button. And also, if you want to see more videos on how to make money online, make sure to press that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon, and bye.